Sabrina and Michael, German Curriculum, Chapter 2, Section 8, G28. This is the last section of this chapter. Now we are asking about time, and the numbers that we learn come in handy here. Wie spät ist es? That means how late is it? You'd say in American English probably, what time is it? Wie viel Uhr ist es? That means how many o'clock is it? That also means what time is it? Or what's the time? Depending. So anyway, two ways of saying the same thing. Es ist, it is, and then whatever it is. Viertel, notice that has the word vier in it, so that means that it's something to do with 4, and Viertel is quarter, so 15 minutes if we're dealing with hours, 25 if we're dealing with hundreds. Anyway, vor is before, and then nach is after. As I said, these mean other things as well, but if we're talking about clocks and time, that's what they mean. Remember, before, vor could also be in front of, and nach could also be following. But anyway, Uhr is the clock, and die Stunde is the hour, and as you might imagine, die Minute is the minute, halb is half, alle or alles is all or everything, lacht is laughs, comes from lachen, which is laughing, and muss means must in the sense of has to, like have to go, ich muss gehen, you know, that kind of thing. So anyway, that's how those vocabularies break down, and we will continue with the story, and all of these will be used in this picture sequence and story as well. So Michael seems to say something about Herr Schmidt, but it's not the same Herr Schmidt or something like that. In any case, they're all laughing, and what time is it? Oh, well, it's like 4:45 or whatever, or something like that, and then, oh, we've got to go, oh, you've got to go too, okay, bye, see you later. Okay, this one's obviously not very difficult, so let me zoom out so I can have text and picture here together. Let's see if it'll all fit this time, and I'll read it once in German and then go on to read it in English, translated. Okay, Michael sagt, oh nein, was ich sage ist nicht falsch. Remember in the last one, he was accused of speaking lies and slanderous things. Anyway, Michael says, no, well, no, actually, sorry, I want to read it in German first, right? Michael sagt, oh nein, was ich sage ist nicht falsch. Entschuldigung, ich habe den falschen Herrn Schmidt. Alle lachen, haha. Sabine fragt, wie spät ist es? Es ist 4:45, sagt Herr Schmidt. Sabine sagt, oh, es ist spät, ich muss gehen. Ich auch, sagt Herr Schmidt. Ja, ich auch, sagt Michael. Sie alle sagen auf Wiedersehen und gehen weg. Okay, so this is a case of mistaken identity. Michael says, oh no, what I say is not false. Excuse me, pardon me, or whatever. I have the wrong Herr Schmidt. I got the wrong Mr. Smith. Well, you can imagine that just like the last name of Smith, Schmidt is pretty common in Germany. So, as Smith is in English-speaking countries. Alle lachen, they all laugh. Sabine fragt, wie spät ist es? So Sabine asks, how late is it? Like, what time is it? Es ist 4:45. It is 4:45, so 4:45. And then she says, Herr Schmidt, and she says, oh, es ist spät. Oh, it is late. Ich muss gehen. I must go. So, ich auch. I also. So, me too, basically. Says Herr Schmidt. Ja, ich auch. Yes, I also. So, yes, me too, says Michael. Sie sagen alle, they all say, auf Wiedersehen, they all say goodbye, or until we see each other again, or whatever. Und gehen weg, and go away. So, problem solved. Chapter done. Very good.